In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use rules in Zoho Books. This process is essential for automating and organizing your financial transactions, allowing you to streamline your bookkeeping and ensure consistency across your data. Let's dive right into the steps. First, make your way to the Zoho Books dashboard. This is the central hub where you'll begin your journey in managing your financial records. Once you're on the dashboard, your next move is to find and click on the Banking tab. This area is key because it houses all your bank accounts and the associated transactions for you to manage. After accessing the Banking section, you'll need to select the specific bank account where you wish to apply your rule. You will be presented with a list of all your linked bank accounts, so choose the one that you want to monitor or update. This is where the rule will be primarily applied. With your bank account selected, go ahead and pick a transaction. This means reviewing the list of transactions and selecting one that you want to categorize or for which you want to create a rule. This helps in ensuring that you know which transactions will follow the rule you're about to establish. The next step is crucial. You have to choose a category for your selected transaction. A category helps in classifying the transaction to make your financial data more organized and meaningful. Simply type in the category of your choice that best describes the transaction's purpose. Once your category is set, it's time to choose a revenue account. This determines where the financial activity will be recorded in your books. Click on the revenue account that suits the transaction you are dealing with. This is important for financial reporting accuracy and management. At this point, you should click on Save. This will apply the changes you've made so far to that specific transaction. Now, let's move on to creating a rule that will automate this categorization for future transactions. Focus your attention on the rule name area. This is where you will start defining the rule. Type in a name that clearly explains the rule's purpose. You want something descriptive for easy identification later. After naming your rule, choose the option for categorizing transactions. This tells Zoho Books how to automatically categorize future transactions that fit similar criteria. The accuracy and relevance of this categorization improve efficiency and keep your books consistently organized. Finally, click on Save Rule. This makes your newly created rule active, ensuring that similar transactions in the future get categorized without manual intervention. It's a handy way to automate and simplify your bookkeeping tasks within Zoho Books. And there you have it. A straightforward way to create and use rules in Zoho Books to keep your financial records consistent and automate repetitive tasks. Thanks for watching, and be sure to leverage these tools to make your bookkeeping more efficient.